YouTube, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. I am Mark and you're watching Trading with a Dummy. If you're brand new to my channel, please, before anything else, click that subscribe button and smash the like button if you enjoy this content, and the video, and of course share this with people if you enjoy what you're watching. This is a educational and entertainment channel. Part of this series is also following me on my journey to financial freedom and trying to become a day trader for a living. Yes, my goal is to be a day trader like everybody else in the world after the pandemic happened. So hopefully you stop by here because you've seen my first journey video where I was very transparent about what happened with my walkaway money. And now I'm gonna give you guys an update of where I'm at this point in my journey. My video thumbnail was a little bit of clickbaitish, but hear me out for a second because it is kind of true. Because there's a guy that I listen to named Nassim Taleb, and I quote, actually, you know what, I have it written down here just to make sure that I don't misquote him and I'm saying this right. The three most harmful addictions are heroin, carbs, and a monthly paycheck. Man, I didn't even read that right, and I had the paper right here. The three most harmful addictions are heroin, carbohydrates, and a monthly salary. That's word for word what he said. I don't take heroin, but if he's comparing a monthly salary to heroin in that same category, ladies and gentlemen, yes, I am taking heroin, if that's what a job means. So if you guys have followed me in my previous My Journey video, you are aware that I was in the military and I got out back in May, and I am no longer a full-time member of the United States Air Force. And I told myself, you know what, this trading journey and this investment journey, this is the path that I'm gonna go on. And I'm also gonna create a YouTube channel and help people as much as I can. The information I've learned throughout these past 2 years, I feel like I have enough knowledge to keep people from making the same mistakes that I have made. Fortunate enough for me, I am in a situation where I have a monthly paycheck that comes in every single month that takes care of all my bills plus more. So my bills and my life expenses are pretty low, so that paycheck that I'm able to get every single month pays all of that and covers all of those expenses, but it doesn't necessarily allow me to be very flexible with my spending habits. Now, what does that mean? Hold on. Does that mean I don't have a budget? Of course I have a budget. You have to have a budget if you're planning on going on this path of trying to find financial freedom. It would just be nice to take my wife out every once in a while without having to budget on what we're gonna eat when we go out and about on our date nights. It would be nice to just be able to go out and just have wine, have a steak dinner, and not worry about the bill.
I was a little drunk. Plus, I was horny.
I don't have that luxury, and it's okay that I don't have that luxury. But like I was saying, I did go back to a 9 to 5.
I hate so much about the things that you choose to be.
The only difference is here, I am in a situation where I have the leverage to leave if I want to leave, because once again, my lifestyle is not dependent on a 9 to 5 paycheck anymore. I was also day trading, which occasionally would bring me money, but it fluctuated in how much money I was making. One month I was making over $1,000, next month I was making a couple $100, and then one month I was actually down.
This is the worst.
So it was just a roller coaster, and I couldn't really depend on my trading skills as of right now to move forward in having that additional income. But I got offered a job. I didn't look for the job found me. And initially I was gonna say no until they told me how much they were paying me. Let's just say it's stupid money for what I'm doing. So I took the job.
Congratulations, you're human.
And I remember when I initially took it right away, I had this pressure that hit me, and I was like, do I really want to go back to work? Do I really want to waste my time? I'm trying to do this YouTube channel thing. I'm trying to trade. But here's another catch on the reason why I said yes. They were willing to be flexible with me to allow me to still trade. Not only that, I was actually teleworking half of my week. And honestly, since December, I have just been teleworking. So it's not a bad gig. Did I mention they're paying me stupid money? And with the fact that they paid me stupid money, it honestly alleviated any other stressors that I had in my life, because not only am I able to take that money that I'm getting from this job and put it into the market, because once again, long-term investment is my primary goal first. I want to invest for the long term. So the money that's coming in, I'm able to get into more positions throughout the year just to leave them there to allow them to grow and accumulate my wealth, as well as a little bit of spending money. Like I said, I do like to occasionally buy expensive electronics. Why are you so expensive? So yeah, so now not only am I trying to be a full-time trader, I'm working on this YouTube channel, which by the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. I really do appreciate it. You guys have no idea. I'm actually making money off of my YouTube channel now, off of ads. It's crazy. Never thought that would happen, but it's happening. I need to really start thinking bigger. I went on a tangent and I forgot where I left off at. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to school. I have a 9-to-5 job now. I'm a father, I'm a husband, so I have a lot on my plate right now. I was really scared when I walked away from my previous career because that's all that I knew. And I wasn't sure if I was going to be successful at what I'm doing. And technically, I am not there yet when it comes to becoming a day trader. For all those financial literacy gurus out there that make this shit seem like it's easy, it's not. I just wish someone would just be honest and say, yo, trading is not easy. I'm telling you firsthand, it is not easy. It seems like it's easy on YouTube. Also, I want to touch on one thing because I'm noticing this a lot. I'm seeing a lot of these people who are in this space telling you, yo, you don't need a 9-to-5. This whole 9-to-5 being the death of your success is a farce. It really is. It depends what you're doing for a living, right? It's hard for people who have a 9-to-5 doing physical labor just to say, you know what? I quit. I'm going to be a full-time trader now. Middle finger in the air. See y'all later. Bam, I'm a millionaire right now. That's not how it works. The reality is you have to set yourself up to be able to get into those positions where you're able to walk away freely, stress-free, without worrying about where your next paycheck's going to come from. Unfortunately, if you want to get to that place where you walk away from your 9-to-5, you're going to have to make some sacrifices, whether it's time, whether it's comfort. You have to make those sacrifices to reach your goal. And in the end of the day, also, you have to determine, what is your freedom? What does that mean to you? Is it monetary freedom? Does it mean like you just want to have a whole bunch of money? Or is it that you want to buy your time back? Or is it that you want to live a stress-free life? What does freedom mean to you? So you have to figure that out, and then you have to start putting things in place. You have to plan this out. You have to physically write this down on a piece of paper and say, I need to do this to get to point B. And that's the reason why I went back to a 9-to-5.
You did?
Because it's allowing me to speed up the process. So instead of me sitting here stressing about, hey, I need to trade better or do this better, or I can't lose this amount, or I can't risk this amount because if I risk this $75, this may be my grocery bill. I don't want to be in a situation like that. So now I have the ability to have a steady paycheck that comes in, which then allows me to take that money and then have that money eventually work for me. And last but not least, the one thing I'm going to touch on in this whole process is stop comparing your portfolio to others, all right? Your journey may be different than other people's. I know mine is. I used to compare my journey to other people and I would get kind of envious. Not really envious. I would get more angry with myself, like what is not clicking with me? And I would start forcing myself to get into positions that I didn't want to and doing all these YOLO trades and trying to figure out how to make the money right now as quickly as possible. And it took some time for me to figure out that my journey is not your journey and your journey is not my journey. So stop comparing yourself to other people and their journey, because if you're just comparing consistently, a lot of times you may find quickly that I thought I was going to say something really deep there. I really wasn't. Just stop comparing yourself to other people. It's okay if the process takes a little bit longer for you guys. So y'all, that was it. That is my update on my journey. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for riding with me, and keep your head clear. You guys got this. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't worry about other people. Y'all got this. Again, my name is Mark. You guys are watching Trading with a Dummy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.